Welcome to Law in Simple Terms. I'm Terry Ingram, founder of the Foundation for Public Awareness. Our state's going to be our saviors. You be the judge. Kansas Governor Sam Brownback has signed into law a bill that will stop local governments from enforcing local gun ordinances and make gun laws uniform across the state of Kansas. In other words, the Second Amendment is alive and well in Kansas. You can open carry or conceal carry with only the one license you need, the Second Amendment. That's right, no license or permission slip from any government in Kansas. The only trouble I see is that Kansas had to create a law what was for already our right. We shouldn't need any laws to remind government what we already have the right to do. The bill, House Bill 2578, becomes law in Kansas on sometime in July 2015. Kansas Republican Jim Howell authored the bill, which passed with bipartisan support in both the House and the state. Howell said the legislation supports responsible gun ownership, and in that vein, the bill includes a provision that prohibits someone from carrying a gun while intoxicated, similar to the laws against drunken driving. He also said people who really want to see gun freedom extended in our state should be very happy with this bill. At the same time, people who want more safety around firearms, more teeth for our law enforcement, are also fans of this bill because it creates clarity on both ends. The bill also received significant support from gun advocacy groups such as the Kansas State Rifle Association. Patricia Stoneking, the association's president, said she felt victorious about helping the bill get passed through the legislature. She also said the law, which will become effective in July, will make life easier for both gun owners and law enforcement officers. Finally, Stoneking said, now everyone will know that there's a uniform statewide law, and that's all they have to be familiar with. So as people are traveling across Kansas from one jurisdiction to another, they don't have to worry about what local ordinances say in regards to carrying or transporting firearms. They just need to know what the state law is. And that's a much easier proposition for the gun owners than having to figure out a whole lot of local ordinances. Now, opposition to this bill came from the Kansas Association of Counties, who says that the bill reduces local control and also impedes municipal employers from maintaining a safe workspace. General Counsel for the counties, Ms. Wangeman, said local officials are closer to the people and should have the right to decide whether to regulate weapons. She said that each county might have a different perspective. Some are quite comfortable with guns in the courthouses, and they know that their community is comfortable with that. But other counties see a need for local gun ordinances and should be able to establish and enforce them. And I say, wagemen would have to get a real job if the counties were out of the business of legislating unconstitutional laws. The new bill also prohibits municipal employers from collecting information on whether employees have permits to carry and conceal. A prohibition that eliminates a City of Wichita policy that requires employees to disclose if they plan to carry a weapon on the job. I think Wageman gave a great example of why this law hurts the ability of public employers to maintain a safe workplace. So get this. Wageman says, the concern I have is, let's say you're the roads supervisor in a county and you're firing someone. You may want to know if the guy you're firing is carrying a gun. I say, let's call Miss Wageman a wambulance. How about this, Miss Wageman? The tables are turning. You have your bootstrapped, gun-toting, badge-wearing thugs backing your every move at the point of a gun. And now, just like God created man and woman on this earth, Colt and Smith & Wesson made them all equal. Well, welcome to the party. What's wrong, Wageman? Don't feel safe anymore with the rest of us being armed to the teeth? Welcome to the party. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and come visit my website, which is listed in the link below this video in the description box.